it's CraftyRia, and welcome to my craft room. I wish to thank you all for joining me today. I apologize, it's been a while since I've made a video, but I'm feeling better, and here we go. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're back, then welcome back. I've missed you. Today I'm going to be working on some Valentine cards. You know, I love to recycle Christmas cards, but I also got the idea that we can recycle Valentine cards as well. So let me show you what I got, and we'll go ahead and get started. I went shopping at the Dollar Tree yesterday because I realized I didn't have very many Valentine embellishments. So here are some things that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. I got these really cute felt stickers. They're 3D felt stickers with some bling on them. And I got these really cute Valentines. And I'll talk about those in a minute. I'm going to set them aside. I went ahead and got some Valentine stickers. This has 2 sheets of stickers in it. And then these are foil and glitter. They're really pretty. These have some foil words on them. They're really cool. And then, of course, I couldn't resist the glitter hearts. So my thinking for Valentine cards was, you know, if you have kids and they send this type of Valentine out, sometimes you have a few left over from the classroom pack. And other times you might need to make some adult Valentines, but you might only have these. So these I got at the Dollar General. I looked at Dollar Tree, and they do have boxes that are similar, but most of the boxes they have are brand names, so I didn't want to use those. They were like different Disney ones and popular names. I didn't want to use those on my channel, so I wanted to get something that was more generic. So I got these 32 pet Valentines. And if you know me, you know that I love dogs, and I have a lot of friends that love dogs and cats. So I thought this would be really cute. These would be cute, and it will give you an idea for whatever style you buy for your kids. It'll give you an idea how you can use them to make adult Valentines on regular cards. Also, when your kids bring home their Valentines after Valentine's Day, you can reuse them and make them into new cards for next year. So I wanted to kind of give you that idea. I don't have children or grandchildren, so I went to the store and bought the box of them. So I'll be using these, and I'll be using these. These have little buttons on them. You can see on the back they have the little closure. So these are absolutely adorable. I love these, and I'm sure I will make 8 cards using all of these. But I wanted to use some of the flat ones so you can kind of get the idea. So let me set these aside. I went ahead and folded some card bases. I folded one at the standard A2 size card, which is 5.5 by 4.25, and then I made 2 smaller ones that are 5.5 by 4 because I have envelopes for that size. So let's see what comes in here. These are the Valentines that come in this package. And on the back, they have the little to and from hearts. So you could use that side as well. But I'm going to go ahead and use the front. Now these are folded in half, so they do have a score mark down the middle. I'm still going to use them. We can just pretend that score mark isn't there, because this will give you an example for different Valentines that you may be able to find at the store. And it also comes with a sheet of these red heart stickers so you can seal them when you fold them in half. But we won't be folding them in half today. So I thought I would use this one, this Friends Forever. I thought it was really cute with the two cats on it, and it's one of the larger ones. And then I'll use one of the smaller ones. And I'll use one of the dogs. They are so cute. I just don't know which one I want to use. I'll put it aside and I will decide in a little bit when I get my papers going. I'll start with the cat ones. I went in my stash and I did find some of these spring papers. This is Die Cuts with a View. I had it for years. It was on clearance for $3.67. And there's Easter paper in here. And there's also some Valentine paper. And then they have the matte stack, which is spring as well. So I was going through it and I thought that this would look so cute on this star paper. Now this star paper isn't even Valentine paper, but it is very cool and it really matches that. So I'm going to go ahead and use that today. And since this is larger, I think I'm going to go ahead and use one of the larger size card bases. This is the 5.5 by 4.25. And I think that would be really cool. And it has already kind of a mat around it, so I don't really think I need to mat it on anything. But I can see where it was perforated at the top, so I'm going to trim that rough edge off. And get my paper trimmer and just give that a little bit of a trim. I just want to take the very edge off. There we go. And if you notice, I have a new mat. I went ahead and ordered it from Amazon, this black mat for my desk. I thought it would look nicer than just my desk table. Let me know what you think. So I'm going to cut this piece of paper down so I have about a 1/16 of an inch border all the way around. I am going to cut it at 5 3/8, which is 1/8 of an inch shorter, and then 4 1/8, which is 1/4 of an inch shorter, smaller. So that would give me, or I'm sorry, 1/8 of an inch smaller on each side. That would give me a 1/16 of an inch on all 4 sides. That just gives just a little bit of a white border on the edge. I think that gives a finished look rather than having it all the way to the edge. So then I have to decide how I want to embellish this and what I want to do to it. So let me get some of my goodies. I really like these hearts. Let's see if I can figure out how this opens. Just across the top. And these are really, really cute. They are pink felt with a little gem on it already. So that is really cute. That does a lot. It takes away a lot of the work. It does a lot of the work for you. So I think that's really, really cute. Let me look at some of my other stickers and see what else I have. Now this is cute because it says you and me, because it has, we have 2 cats on there, so that would be really cute to just do you and me. Okay, so we're going to make this one pretty simple. Get my tape runner. This is double-sided adhesive. Some people call it an ATG gun, but it's not really the ATG brand. I got that one at the Tape Depot. And then we'll stick this on here. This is really cute, a nice way to make these little kid cards into a card that would be suitable. You can use it for a child, or you can also use it for an adult. I believe these are stickers, so I will take the backing off. Yep, they are stickers. The whole back is adhesive, so that's really nice. Put that one down there. And then I think this one that says you and me, I will put it up at the top corner. And I will leave that as is because it's friends forever and it's really, really cute. And let me see what I have here for the dogs and what kind of paper I have. I love all of the dogs and it's really hard to pick my favorite. I really like this one that says you're a star Valentine to go with this star paper just like the other one. So let's go ahead and do the same thing. Now this one has perforations on the top and the bottom, so I'm going to trim that off real quick. As close to it as I can get. And then I'm going to trim my paper down. I'll trim it to the same size I had before, which is 5 3/8. And this one is 4 inches wide, so I will make this one at 3 7/8. And that just gives a little bit of a white border around the edge. Now we do have some extra room at the bottom, so let me get my ribbons. I have this sheer pink ribbon that I think would go really good with it, and you can still see the stars through it, so that's what I'm going to use. Get my sharp scissors. And give that a trim. And before I stick down my paper, I want to go ahead and put the ribbon on it. Put a little bit of tape on the front. And then just adhere the ribbon down. Then I will put the ribbon on the back. And the way I always do it is I start on the paper and take the tape all the way to the edge. And that way I have a double thickness of tape underneath that ribbon just so it holds it really well. That looks really, really cute. So like I was saying before, you can save the Valentines that your children or your grandchildren receive. Just ask your friends and whatever to save them for you, and you can make a whole bunch of cards for next year. You can even have the little kiddos help you if you want, if they like to do crafts. It's kind of fun. I went to the end of my tape roll, which is good. I had just enough to make this card. And that tape is nice because it rolls right off if you rub it. Alright, so let's see what I have here. These are really cute. I might cover up that word cute because it makes it a little more childish if it stays on there, but I think I'll cover it up with the felt. So I will go ahead and put this on there. And then I think I will use one of these pretty ones to go over that ribbon down there. So there we have another card. So I went ahead and used 2 of the children's Valentines and made them into new cards. I think I will save the other Valentines for another video. So here we go. We have these 2 that I made out of just simple children's Valentines. These would be really cute for adults or for children if you are recycling them. If you haven't yet already subscribed to my channel, I would so love it if you did. Just hit that subscribe button. If you like what you see, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. I appreciate all of you for watching. Thank you so much. Also, if you'd like to share your work and become part of our community, I have a Facebook group. It's called Create with CraftyRia. The link's in the comments below or in the description below. So please go check it out and join us over there. We're having a really good time. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. And meanwhile, go get crafting. Bye-bye.